welcome back to my studio, and welcome to another episode of Friday with Friends, Challenge or Be Challenged. Now, our special guest tonight is Bonnie with Bonnie's Acrylic Creations Art, and our challenge tonight comes from one of our Friday with Friends team. This is from Betty with Oak by Betina. So tonight's challenge is the grenade flip cup. With a twist, you have to put a marble in your cup. So let's get down to the table and see how this happened. Okay, for this pour, I'm going to use an Artist Loft Level 2 12 by 12 canvas. I have my big push pin already set into my pour cup for my grenade, and I have my big shooter marble. I like to use these big marbles and not the little ones. They don't get caught in your paint and stuck there and don't move like the little ones sometimes can. Our colors tonight are going to be Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet, Amsterdam Naples Yellow Red, Artist Loft Metallic Blue, Folk Art Treasure Gold in Fire Opal, and Amsterdam Turquoise Green. We'll see how that all works. So we're going to start by loading up our flip cup. So I'm going to push that to the side for a second. And my thing is very heavy here. What I'm going to do is stick something under him so he stays level while I fill. All right. So I'm going to start with a little of that. This is a 9-ounce cup, which is more than I really need, but so I don't have to use a flow extender. We're just going to really fill up this cup. Okay, so that is our flip cup, and before we flip it, we're going to take our marble and we're going to say bye, marble. Okay, let me move this to the side for just a second. And let's get that centered again for you. And let's flip that cup. Oops, splooshed a little. Now we want to let that sit a second because any air that was at the top of the cup, we want to come up to the bottom of the cup. So we want that to have a little set time there. And then we will pull this pin and see what happens. All right, here we go. Woo! Okay. Oh, look at the designs inside that cup. That's so cool. All right. And I'm going to torch this with, hopefully not torching too much on my marble. I want to get some of the other bubbles that are around my marble. I got some big stubborn bubbles here. Let's see if we can get some of those. Oh, I'm loving the design here already. All right, now we're going to play with our marble a little before we finish tilting this. So let's just let that marble have a little fun. one thing it's doing is killing all the bubbles and all the cells, but that's okay. Alright, we're gonna go put him over there for now. Okay, well, let's finish tilting this. The lines that marble pulled through here. That is so cool. Just want to tilt around a little to get a composition I like. Still running really fast, so I know I need to get rid of more paint, more than I really want to. Just gonna keep rocking it this way and that way until I get enough paint off of here without losing too much of what I love. Oh, this is just so cool. Combination of the cells from the grenade and the lines from the marble is just fabulous. It has this wonderful batch of cells over in here, and then this beautiful section of lines. Alright, I think I've gotten enough paint off of here now. I don't have to worry about it cracking. Just want to tilt it back this way just a wee bit more. Okay, that is really cool. All right, let me clean up my bottom edge real quick and I will bring you down for a close-up. Okay, we've got some wet results. Now the fun here was that the grenade gave me all these cells and the marble gave me all these beautiful lines. You just have to be careful with the marble not to run over too many of your cells. I'm going to lose them all. But look at those lines. And just look at that. Oh, I'm loving it. Alright, we're going to let this baby dry and see how it does. Wait for dry results. We're going to play with some leftovers. I got 2 4x4 inch canvases, 1 6-inch putty knife, and a batch of leftovers. So we're going to start by putting a little base coat on each of our little dinky canvases. Doesn't take very much to cover these and give them a nice little base coat. It's a great way to use up those tiny little bits of leftovers. Make a little pour cup here. All right. Now we are just going to pour this right here on our putty knife. Hopefully not going off the putty knife. Ooh, that's enough. Let's go. Well, Okay. The first one came out better than the second one. Still pretty cool. Hold on. Since I have a little more here, we can fix that second one a little bit. All right, let's give these a little tilt. Have some fun with leftovers. I'll just give this guy a little tilt. Okay. Almost. Figure out the way that matches up best that way. All right. Quick and easy. There's our close-ups. Our little magic leftovers. Okay, we have dry results to our grenade marble flip cup. I love the combination of cells and lines. The grenade gave me some beautiful cells. The marble gave me lovely lines. The combination is just wonderful. It dried really, really well. So I am super, super happy with it. It's always wonderful to try something new or to do a twist on something that you've done before. So this is a fun new challenge. Now, tonight's special guest was Bonnie with Bonnie's Acrylic Creations Art. And tonight's challenge was from Betty with Oak by Betina. So I hope you enjoyed it all. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now, this being part of our Friday with Friends Challenge or Be Challenged, before me you should have seen Bonnie. After me is Janet with Acrylic Creations by Jwitty, and after her is Betty with Oak by Betina. So please follow along the playlist, which is in my description box, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone.